Hello, my amazing people. It's your girl, Faith Ijiriga, now Faith Kalu. And please don't ask me how. The ghost host from Ebonyi People TV, guess what? We decided to take a little stroll, or should I say, drive through around the beautiful city of Abakaliki earlier today. I just thought to, give you all a glimpse of what our beloved capital looks like on this special day, Christmas Eve. That's right. It's December 24th, and I thought, why not share this beautiful moment with you all, our dearest viewers? So, if I were you, I would rather stay put than go anywhere. Now, as we cruise through Abakaliki, I couldn't help but notice something. Oh, yes, I did. In some of our earlier drive through videos, we occasionally spotted a few dirt filled roads here and there. Even some of the commenters, talked about it. But fast forward to today, not a single trace of that. Abakaliki has completely transformed, and you just can't find anything like that anymore. Let me just say this. Are we sure Ebonyi State isn't the cleanest state in Nigeria so far? I mean, even Akwa Ibom with all its glory, nourish. Don't come for me, please. I'm just stating the obvious. Take a look at these streets. So neat, so tidy. The roads are smooth, the corners are spotless, and the vibe, oh, it's just so perfect. If cleanliness is next to godliness, then Abakaliki must be sitting right next to heaven itself. And let's not forget the Christmas spirit in the air. I'll be right back to show you all what the market looks like. I went to the market area and I can't even explain it. It's unexplainable. I don't even want to talk about the crowd. It looks like we're in one of the biggest markets in Lagos. Anyway, that's by the way. It's magical, but what truly stands out is how well kept and debt free our city has become so far. It's like every corner of Abakaliki got a special cleanup just for the holidays. I know. Some of you might be thinking, Faith, aren't you a bit biased? But honestly, if you've got it, flaunt it, right? And Ebonyi State got it. Honestly, if there's a state cleaner than this, I would need proof. And let me know in the comments section. Do you think that there's any other state as clean and as neat as Ebonyi State? Until then, Ebonyi State stays as the top of the cleanest so far. So, my lovely people, sit back, relax, and enjoy the beautiful scenery of Abakaliki. Take in the well paved roads, the organized traffic, and the peaceful ambience that makes this city such a gem. All right, I'll stop talking now and let you all soak in this beauty. But remember, this is your favorite ghost host, Faith Kalu, bringing you vibes straight from Ebonyi People TV. Don't forget to always like. Please, your likes, your shares gives me this special, this inner joy. And always drop your thoughts in the comments below. Do you agree that Bakaliki might just be Nigeria's cleanest city? Let me know in the comments.